What's up, Throdle? Do you want to check out one of the longest standing car clubs that's won multiple awards at Spocom, Hot Import Nights, and Import Face-Off? Well, keep on watching, as today, you're in for a ride.
Team Hybrid prides itself in being the most winning, published, oldest, and best overall team in import history, competing at the highest level day in and day out, consistently since 1995. Being average is easy, but being legendary is one of a kind. So what's the definition of hybrid? It means a cross between two species. But in our team, it means mixing people, body kits, parts in the engine.
Every time a new guy joins or wants to join the Team Hybrid, I always tell them that we are a family-based team. We have families, we have kids, jobs, and to us this is like a hobby.
So you mentioned you have to be dedicated to be a Team Hybrid member. What exactly does that mean?
Loyalty. Biggest thing is loyalty, communication with the team. When it's time for a show, we want to make sure that everybody's in the same mindset of, hey, we're going to come in dominant.
How many chapters are there in total of Team Hybrid?
About 10. We have Hawaii, Virginia, Nevada, Taiwan.
So I know the Team Hybrid has been published quite a bit. What have you been in?
I've been in several magazines in the US and a couple international. My best one would be Super Street, Best of the Best issue.
I've been in 6 magazines, a couple international and here in the States. My favorite would definitely be Pasmag and Import Tuner.
So the vehicles that I've built have a minimum of at least 4 magazines, 2 covers for the Scion TC and Pasmag, cover Super Street with the Scion XD, and then my E36 in Pasmag, and then the Scion XA and Import Tuner.
I've been in 13 magazines all over the world, including Japan, UK, Australia.
So can you each tell me what your favorite moment with Team Hybrid is?
This year, January 7, 2020, when we celebrated our 25th anniversary.
I don't just have one favorite moment in hybrid, I have 3. The racing, street, and show.
Hi, I'm Jim. I'm with Team Hybrid. I'm with them 8 months. This is my Tanzanite Blue M4.
So Jim, I know you said it's Tanzanite, but when I first looked at it from the front, I thought it was actually black. And it's only until I get up close that I'm now starting to see these beautiful blue specks coming out.
It's a being the individual paint. So like different light hits it. It goes from light blue with flake in it to purple and overcast, and at night it almost turns black.
And I can also see that you've got this blue coming out of this Kevlar. Can you tell me what you've done here?
My carbon fiber sponsor Denman made a blue carbon fiber camo with blue Kevlar in it. So when the light hits it a certain way, it actually almost matches my paint color exactly.
How you doing? My name is Josh. This is my 1993 Toyota Supra Turbo. I just joined Team Hybrid in December, and let's check it out.
So Josh, I know you had a big reveal yesterday for everyone in time for Import Face-Off. Which parts are original from Japan?
So, as far as styling goes, the front bumper over here was made from Rando Sports, an early 2000s company.
Yeah.
And still rocking that. And then the side skirts, the fenders, the mirrors. This is a Garage BB GT styling wing that I purchased in Japan.
So I know you did tons of work to the engine. Let's just see what you got.
Everything in the head has been rebuilt. Powerhouse racing, valve covers, breather tank, their pulleys. I have a 262 GSC Power Division S1 cams, 1000cc injector dynamic and fuel injectors, aeromotive, fuel pressure regulator, and should be pumping around 700 to the wheels. This thing grips and rips.
Archie's just checking this thing out. I mean, it looks like a time attack race car. Is that the look you were going for?
That's what I'm after for.
Well, if you're racing this thing, you must have performance tuned it. What can it do?
It has a 4G63 from an Evo 8 motor. It has a billet crankshaft, forged pistons and rods, fully built head with GSC cams. It's built, we're boosting at about 40 pounds of boost right now. It's on coil packs, running a Sheepy top mount turbo kit, 6466 turbo kit on it. The whole kit is a wide body kit from Barris, Japan. It's called ASSO wide body kit. There's no fun of just having an Evo and make it go fast. Now this one that's all in one, go fast, make it look good, and win at shows.
Thanks, Archie. How can people find out about Team Hybrid?
Just check us out on the Throdle app.
Awesome. So thanks for watching, and join us next time as Throdle's driving connections and fueling experiences.
Hybrid! 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 Hybrid!
Hybrid love to our team title sponsors, BF Goodrich, Amsoil, White Line, K&N, AEM Filters, NRG Innovations, Renegade, Mishimoto, Honda Data, Status Racing, and Tire Stickers.